Hi friends, welcome back to my channel and my name is Vikas Singh and I want to welcome you to what we are basically going to be one of the most complete practical and career focused Windows Server 2025 training series available for free on YouTube. So if you ever wanted to master Windows Server from absolute beginner level to all the way to advanced enterprise administrator, then this course is designed exactly for you. This is not going to be a short overview course, and this is not one of the theoretical training series where someone just explain the difference and you leave you with the confusion. So this is going to be a real hands-on zero to expert journey where we will build infrastructure, configure services, troubleshoot issue, and simulate the real world scenarios. And then we will basically prepare you for real enterprise IT work. So whether you are a complete beginner, a help desk engineer, a desktop support engineer, or a system administrator, or someone preparing for interview and career growth, so this is going to be a help you basically. So as name, I have named this course Windows Server 2025 Complete Master Course. So this is a complete Windows Server 2025 master course. That means this is not focusing on just one feature, basically, or one role or one specific thing. We are going to basically complete our full Windows Server ecosystem. That's include the installation, configuration, administration, security, Active Directory, file server, virtualization, high availability, remote desktop infrastructure, backup, recovery, troubleshooting, everything whatever is there with Windows Server 2025. So this course is designed in structured learning path, not just a random topic. And not the disconnected video. So let me show you how I have planned this course. So this course having total basically 16 module, and then the last 17 module is going to be a real world scenario. So in these modules, each module is focused on some specific thing. For example, module 1 is focused on course introduction, where we will understand what is Windows Server 2025 course is, what is Windows Server, what is server edition, server licensing, server rules and features, GUI, server core. So this is basically on focused on course introduction. Then second module we are going to set up our lab installation. We will see how to set up your lab on VMware or Hyper-V, what are the minimum requirement, what are the resources you need, and those things. And then we are going to do installation. Then module 3 is core administration, where we are going to see the server manager, Windows Admin Center, PowerShell, terminal, and all these things. The basic idea is to going to be a uh, basically day-to-day operations. You are going to use these core administrator tools, so we will see that. And then module 4, where we are actually going to be start implementing things. So the very first module I covered Active Directory, and we will perform all these steps. And then we have a DSCP module. Then we have a 6 module which is focused on group policy only. And then module 7, where we will configure and play around with file server. Then we have a module 8, which is storage, where we will do ISKC target server deployment, MPIO basic. We'll see the storage replication, storage migration services, and all those things. And then we have a module 9, where we are going to work with Hyper-V virtualization technology. Basically, we will install Hyper-V, configure, we will create virtual machines and all, play around with those things. And then module 10 is where we are going to do a high availability. We will install and configure failover clustering. Then we have a module 11 around remote access and RDS, where we will deploy RDS infrastructure with session host, with basically VDI deployment. We will cover everything related to RDS and VDI and this module. And then we have a module 12, which is focused on security. So we will see BitLocker, Windows Firewall, Advanced Root. We will implement labs on your Active Directory infrastructure, and then we will basically perform some SMB best practices also. Then we have a module 13 which is dedicated for backup and recovery. We will configure our Windows Server backup. We will do a recovery and backup for bare metal recovery. We will perform a Hyper-V backup. We will do a file recovery, Active Directory recovery, and all those things. And then module 14 is focused on monitoring and troubleshooting. We will do a DNS troubleshooting, DSCP, AD replication, GPU troubleshooting, and all those things. And then module 15 is a modern admin tool where we will see Windows Admin Center advanced feature. We will see REST tool, OpenSSH on Windows Server, and then we will see also PowerSet remoting. And then module 16 is also very important. We will see different type of roles and features we will which is available in Windows Server, such as WDS, WSO, Sprint Server, IIS, FTP. We will install Active Directory Certificate Service, Active Directory Federation Services, and Lightweight Directory Services. We will do RMS installation, and then we will see how to install and configure network load balancer in Windows, and then IP address. We will do also IPAM server. And then this is the last module, which is going to be a module number 7, which is going to be a real world scenario. So we will basically build complete company infrastructure lab on Windows Server 2025 in our lab infrastructure. Then we will see new employee onboarding, file access troubleshooting, password reset, help desk scenario, domain controller failure recovery. We are going to do a ransomware recovery demo also, and we will do troubleshooting related to DNS, GPO, and also we are most importantly we are going to cover full mock interview questions. And also, so this is a well designed course which is going to be focused on Windows Server 2025. So this is my home lab setup for this course basically. So I got my internet, and on internet I have basically, this is my lab configuration machine. So on host side I got Windows 11, and on that Windows 11 I have installed my hypervisor, which is type 2 hypervisor, VMware Workstation 17. And then I got Intel i7 708 Extreme series processor. So let me show you the configuration. So if I go to performance, this is my processor basically, which is, you can see here, Intel Core i7 700 7800X processor, and this machine having 128 gig of memory. And then I got one NVMe disk around 1 TB. And then I have installed basically uh, VMware Workstation on this machine. So let me show you. So this is my VMware Workstation. So if I show you, this is my VMware Workstation 17 Pro, and then on top of that I am going to build this lab. So why this lab? So powerful performance, and we are going to run a multiple virtual machine. You need enough RAM for AD file server SQL servers deployment. Faster NVMe supports basically better IOPS, and ideal for learning, testing, and real world scenario. So this is going to be my typical configuration, where we will do the AD deployment, file server, app server, and then client machine deployment. So this is going to be my configuration. And required ISO, you need a Windows Server 2025 ISO standard data center. You can download the evaluation version, and same for basically Windows 11 also. And there are some basically required software also. So Windows Workstation 17 Pro I have installed. And if you don't want to do VMware Workstation, you can go ahead and use Hyper-V also, and there are some other tools. So this is going to be my complete lab, which we are going to build on VMware Workstation 17. And then I have already published few courses related to Microsoft infrastructure training also. So I got Windows Active Directory training, which has very detailed and full course with practical labs for Active Directory, It has approx 26 video in very in depth. So if you want to master Active Directory, you can go and watch that. Then I have a mastering remote desktop services, which has on Windows Server 2025. It has also more than a 17-18 video. I highly recommend go and watch that. And if you want to do a mastering Hyper-V, you can go and watch that also course on my YouTube channel. So apart of this, I have a VMware training published on my channel also related to VMware vSAN, vSphere 9, and uh, uh, VCP 8 also. And then if you want to learn Proxmox, I have a complete course on Proxmox V, which has a virtualization, clustering, HA backup, everything, DR, everything implemented in that course, with the very depth hands-on lab. And then I have a published course related to Veeam, also Veeam backup and DR training. So this is very powerful course. It has approx 30 plus videos, and then disaster recovery also have 10 plus course. So if you want basically to master these technologies, I highly recommend go and watch these courses on my YouTube channel, which is LabsHandsOn. So I hope this course is going to help you to gain skills and confidence to manage and deploy Windows Server 2025 in your production infrastructure. So what you will achieve from this course, so this is going to be a 17 plus module which 147 topics, and you are going to do a basically hands-on lab for each topic, and then a built enterprise level infrastructure. This is going to be zero to expert level, and this will boost your career as a Windows Server professional. So this is introduction, first part introduction video about Windows Server 2025 complete mastering course, zero to expert. So thank you for watching. Please watch next videos and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much. Bye bye.